Okay, so on today's forecast, Ryan Reagan and Cody Hall's Hammer 101 on the sweet life of Zach and Ryan. Well, there's a funnel cloud about the size of Elton John's dick. You see that bitch?
It's pretty fucking big, right?
Yeah. So today's news, we have Garth Brooks singing in the Thunder Rose. And we are storm chasing. Our first deployment was fucking hell. We haven't even been 3 damn miles, but we're about to die. I hope you feel good about yourself.
If you're watching this, I'm proud of you. You probably lived through this fucking storm.
Hey, you go to our girlfriends and you tell them we dicked them down as best as we could.
Yeah.
Because this shit's getting intense.
It's a setting down, boys. It's a setting down.